Entrepreneurs are ready to invest in the field of electric vehicle because it's a futuristic business. So if you want to be an entrepreneur or you are an entrepreneur, so you can also invest in the field of electric vehicle. So here I have a lot of successful business ideas related to electric vehicle. So have a look. Electric vehicle charging station. Another electric car related business opportunity is the electric vehicle charging station. Electric car charging station business opportunities will be practical in many countries as the number of electric vehicles increases day by day. You can install home-based charging stations, private charging stations, etc. are some opportunities in electric car related businesses, and it will be one of the most successful business idea in the future. Spare part manufacturing and selling. Electric vehicle spare part manufacturing or selling is another business that can be started. It's also good to sell spare parts after importing from the manufacturing units. As you know that electric vehicle are getting increases day by day, and the demand of electric vehicle get increases after the increasing the rate of petrol and diesel. Same in the future, the demand of electric vehicle spare parts get increased. So it is the one of the best business idea you can start today. Battery scrapping. Batteries of electric vehicle would be unusable after thousands of electric charges and discharges. The lithium and batteries can be cause water and soil pollution if not disposed properly. The battery scrapping station can be set up to reuse the old battery parts and dispose unused and harmful parts of the battery. And do you know that the batteries of EVs can be used for another electrical storage purposes once their capacity reduces? This is also one of the best business opportunities you can think about. Electric car service garage. Electric car service is totally different from an petrol and diesel car engine services. In electric car vehicle service, you can repair electric motor, electric car inverters and many more components which are used in electric vehicle like DC-DC converter, throttle, controller and many more components which comes in electric vehicle. You can also repair them and you can replace them according to the need. And you can also replace and change the mechanical components like shock absorber, cone assembly and tires and many more. E-rickshaw manufacturing. If you live in a country where rickshaws are quite common, then you can start e-rickshaw manufacturing business. A small distance drive would be quite easy to travel with e-rickshaw. There are a lot of big manufacturing companies already invested in manufacturing e-rickshaws like Mahindra Trio and many more. But the market is still open. You can also invest in manufacturing in e-rickshaw business. Vehicle charge and chill station. This is another version of electric car charging station. In this station, the driver can chill while charging its car. The EV charging and chill station would be the same infrastructure where driver can take coffee, have a meal or they can watch a movie while their EV charges. The best part of this business is the additional income come from meals and snacks that driver purchase from your chill station. The most suitable location for this business is the near highways or in the cities. Electric car battery shop. Battery replacement is necessary for electric vehicle in almost 5 to 10 years. Electric car battery sale shop would be a profitable venture as the number of EVs increases. The electric car battery business expect to gain momentum soon since the arrival of large number of EVs to the market. You can also start this business after importing the batteries from manufacturing units, or you can assemble the battery at your place. It's very easy to assemble lithium-ion batteries.